Alright guys, it's North Carolina Shooter. I got my Remington 887 Tactical, and I got a door nailed to a tree. And to be quite honest with you, I'm just bored. I want to see what some 7.5 shots will do to this doorknob. I know they make breaching rounds, but what if you can't afford breaching rounds? I think birdshot will do the trick. Two shots and the doorknob's gone. That didn't take much. That wasn't very fun. I figured it'd take more than that. Apparently not. Can't get through the doorknob. A couple more rounds, you can just cut the door in half. Let me load up a few more and we'll continue. I wasn't expecting it to be so simple. Apparently all you need is some universal 7.5 cheap Walmart shotgun shells, and your average door stands no chance. Let's take a few more shots. I'm telling you, I like this shotgun. A lot of people love to hate these things, but I ain't had a problem with this one. None at all. I keep it beside the bed, and I'm confident it'll get the job done if I need to use it. So don't hate it till you try it, guys. Remington 887. This is a tactical version. That was fun. Short and quick, and the door stands no chance. We'll see y'all on the next. Who needs a doorknob anyway?